Competitive coding is nothing but uh, the same code, the same thing, but you do it in a less amount of time with a less amount of time and space complexity, we call it. Less space, less time. So you take minimum amount of time and minimum amount of memory to do the same process that others are doing. That is a type of optimized code. Now, competitive coding, I guess you have to start somewhere. First of all, HackerRank is the best thing to do because the first problem for HackerRank is print hello world. And it goes on and on like print hello world, print hello plus world. From the small baby steps, when you go up now, someday you'll think, bro, I'm coding this, like this. I have reached from here to here, but you won't get it. You will learn small thing every day. Make a note that you solve at least 5 problems a day, let's say. 5 problems. And obviously, with the level of complexity, sometimes it might be one problem that is uh, taking you 3 days. But yes, that is what community coding is. So first of all, HackerRank would be a best option. There are other websites also, lead code, code forces, obviously. But HackerRank is where you take baby steps, I guess. Then participate in all the coding contests that happen. However bad your college is, if you're saying, there would be a fest where they actually take this small coding tests and all those things. There might be hackathons happening. Don't go to hackathon to win. No, in my first and second, I have to go to hackathon just to see what these people are doing. It feels cool, and I want to be cool too one day. That's what my motive was.